first thing we do is to unpack the machine, and once the machine is unpacked, these gauges, this is the concentrate inlet gauge that we put this one on, and this one is at the outlet, feed outlet gauge. We put this one on, and then after that we put this manifold on this, which will collect the permeate from each one of these membrane units. And we also install manifold, actually permeate gauge, which gives you the pressure on the permeate, and we keep that. And following that, then we connect the permeate hose, which goes into the fuse. And we come in here, and we connect the feed hose into the center point in this concentrate tank, and from there it comes into the feed pump, right? From there it comes into the feed pump. We installed this valve here, which was not really needed, but it was there. So, but you have the feed pump drain valve that we installed in here. We can drain the feed pump from here. Now that I saw that stuff coming out. And then actually this is the concentrate return hose, which goes into the concentrate tank. And if you wanted to batch and thicken the material, concentrate the material, we take this back to the concentrate tank. But if you don't want to concentrate, this can go back into the source or tank or wherever it's going from. And this is called conversion valve. So when the manual talks about conversion valve, in order to open it, you pull this out and then turn it, or you pull this out and then turn it back. Now it's at closed position and for starting. And that's pretty much it for connecting the material and the valves and equipment. Now we go to start. When we want to start, first we put the power in, and in order to start, there is a little latch here that you have to turn to turn the power switch on. So you can see that thing there, that has to be done. And once it's done there, we keep this concentrate purge valve here half open, right? And we keep permeate sampling valves closed, all four of them we have there. That's closed. And from there we come in and we have this conversion valve closed at the moment, and permeate recycling or return valve, not permeate, sorry, concentrate. This has to be half open. In order to make this half open, there's 14 turns total. So if you turn 7 turns, that will be half open. That stays there. And now we want to start running the machine. And the first thing we do is to set the feed pressure at 30 by adjusting these two buttons up and down. And the concentrate flow, we set it at 76. And simply by adjusting these up and down, right? And then this is the feed pump start, and this one is a recirculation pump start, and these are the fault lights which says that the power is on or off. And now we start this pump now and then run it, and then purge water from here. Okay, purge air out of it. Okay, now we shut that. Open the conversion valve. Okay, and then purge the air. Okay, and then wait for the and now we wait until the pressure builds up. Some pressure. Okay, now we're building pressure up. It's going to go up about settle at 30. The system has a VFD drive, and as soon as it reaches the pressure, it slows down the pump so to feed it. Now we start the circuit pump, and that's when we should start getting some feed into the system, and then we adjust this a little bit, get some recirculation going, and then we come back in about 2 or 3 minutes or 5 minutes once the pressure is built up and start producing thermal. And as you can see, this is building up to 76. And then down there it will stop. The recirculation valve, so we're getting some concentrate flow there, 0.3. Yeah. By the way, something very important is that cooling water for the pump here, the big pump, is you need the conversion from this to the garden hose. So make sure that you have this before you start, because most of the places that we do the test, we can't find this. And this is connected, and you just simply go back and forth. You want to take some samples?